Greetings everyone and welcome. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, we, the team of Unlock Science, come forward with a tribute to all of our teachers who have given us innumerable lessons and without whom we wouldn't have been the people we are today. Teachers' Day celebrates the unique role of adults in our day-to-day lives. It is celebrated after the birthday of India's second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who also happened to be a passionate teacher who taught at the Chennai's Presidency University and the Calcutta University. Now the question comes, why are teachers important? Can we not learn everything by ourselves? Can we make ourselves outstanding and respectable members of our society without the guidance of the people who are pursuing this noble profession? The answer behind all of these questions is yet another question, which I need each and every one of you to ask yourselves. If there were no teachers, would there have been any other profession? The answer is a straight no. This brings us to our talk of the day. Who is a teacher to you? Some of our team members have been generous enough to share their feelings and share their experiences about their own respective teachers. Let's get to it.
So, today I'm going to share some personal opinion on teachers. Who is a teacher for you? Who is a teacher for me? When you hear the word teacher, what comes to your mind? For me, teacher is someone who could guide you to the best possible way, but we can't deny the fact that they are for the academic support. If you could think of a blissful moment, a happy moment after you graduate, I believe that's all you need. Back in high school, the career as a teacher was an exemption for me. Why? Because I thought I was not eligible enough, I was not good enough. And this concept changed after my graduation from high school, and the teachers I met in school, and maybe the professors and the instructors I met in the university. It turned my thinking the other way around. Hence, today I am teaching some students in Japan in my own country as a part-time tutor, which I'm really proud of. Lastly, each teachers I met, I tried observing the good essence, factors present within them, whether it would be academic integrity, self-efficacy, or trusting their students. So all I could say is thank you and keep guiding your students, including me as well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Devra Chaturvedi and today I'll tell you who a teacher is for me. This is not something very superficial or imaginary which I'll tell you, because I've experienced the greatness of my teachers in my school and college life. The teachers I had were the parental figures for us, and of course the masters of their own subjects. They understood us like their own children, and this is the reason for our special bond with them. The only reason for me to go back to my school are my teachers. They have guided us then and are guiding us now. They were the lightning source in the dark times for us. So thank you teachers for your love and support, and I hope that one day we all will make you proud. A happy Teachers' Day to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tanushri Pandey, and on this occasion of Teachers' Day, we bow down to that guru that leads to a path of light. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, the caliber, and the future of an individual. And a good teacher can inspire hope, can ignite the imagination, and can instill a love of learning. What I truly admire in a teacher is the patience level that they carry while teaching, and all the efforts that he or she makes so that the students can understand the concepts very well, and obviously the motivation that provides a stimulus to perform better. So I would like to pay my sincere gratitude to all the teachers that work hard, that selflessly motivates the students irrespective of anything, and that play an important role in shaping the career of an individual. So thank you so much, and once again a very happy Teachers' Day.
After listening to all of these experiences, we can say one thing with absolute certainty, that a teacher is the most valuable resource that a student can have in his or her life. Thank you, and once again a very happy Teachers' Day to everyone.